Game. What is a game? It's something that you play. What is a video game? It is something that you play on digital. Yeah. What is digital? Well, I'm not telling you that. So, yeah. We're making a game. And I had a wonderful idea for a game. There's a sword, and the sword is tiny, and it does no damage. But it's a blood sword, so the more you kill, the stronger the sword. Get it? Got it? Okay, let's run with it. Now, the whole idea of this series is that I want to show you guys my process of making video games. I'm not an expert video game maker by any stretch of the imagination, but I do have experience under my belt, and I want to share that experience with you guys. Also, I'd love to hear your guys' ideas and see how we can improve and make something together. Anyways, we're going to talk about the world building that allows you to build a world in which the characters can be immersed in and have fun. So let's have fun building this world, shall we? Okay, so obviously world building isn't just lore. A lot of people just think it's just lore. It's just like culture and all this and that and that and this and this. It's a lot of things, all right? And the first thing we need to do is figure out the rules of this world. Boop. Okay, like I said, only one weapon. There's no point of having a blood sword if you're not going to use the blood sword. Duh. Ah, water. Okay, so multi-purpose, obviously, because if you're just going to use the blood sword, we got to have a way to balance that out. So there's gonna be multiple things. There's gonna be a range attack. Look at that. Woo! There's gonna be a spinny attack. You know, like in the game with the Zelda and the boy. No armor. We don't need armor. Armor's for scrubs. We're not scrubs. We have blood sword. We don't need armor. We got blood sword, no armor. I was thinking about other games that are gonna be similar to this, and what I found was it's gonna be kind of like Bloodborne. That's a lie. No, it's not. It's gonna be like the Binding of Isaac, that dungeon crawler esque type of game. I also thought it would be nice to have a couple of items to aid the hero on his quest. So you're gonna have one item slot. Don't worry, you're also gonna have an ultimate. It's choosable. It's a choosable ultimate. I honestly think it's better for a game to give you more options to play around with. For most cases, not all. So the ultimates should be able to aid someone in their specific playstyle. And I'll get to that a bit later on, but next I want to talk about gameplay. What are you doing here? I drew you, and I can take you away.
Yeah. Get out of here.
Gameplay. Like I said, it's going to be kind of like Binding of Isaac. It's going to be a dungeon crawler. But in reverse, we're going to go up the tower. We're going to have a tower. We're going to have a cute little tower. There's going to be 3 levels, and then there's going to be a boss. And then we're going to go up the tower. I'm limiting myself to 5 bosses because I think that's a long enough game. But there's going to be more bosses that I make. More work for me, but not for you guys. There's going to be 5 bosses into the 5th boss is the final boss. But I don't make things easy, guys. I don't make things easy. You think I'm gonna make a cool little game and make it easy for you guys? No, why would I do that? No, you guys gotta enjoy the game, don't you? You guys better enjoy the game. You get one go. You get only one go. Only one go. And if you die, Walks right back up the tower, baby. You get one little one up. Just one. Just one. Okay, like I said, Biden and Isaac. It's going to be top down. How do we go up if we're looking down? Good question. Good question. How about you shut your mouth and let me do my work? And you see this? You see that? You see that? It goes up. It's an elevator. It's an elevator. You walk in the elevator, it takes you up. Yeah? You got that? All right, cool. Moving on. Okay. Next part of the agenda. It's very important that we establish a setting. Now, I was making this game of like blood, sword, blood. What all these things have in common? Oh, that's right. Transylvania. Because Dracula. There's some very important things that we need to go over. Something that all games need to... All games need to be really polished and nice. But not everyone has it. And the game ends up looking like you threw up in a dumpster. Now, say it with me now. I know you understand. I know you got it. Say it with me now. Theme. Color theme. There's got to be a color theme for your game. There's going to be a basic, and it's going to change throughout the dungeon. But the dungeons itself is going to have color themes depending on what the look you want of that place is. But there's a big but. Your color theme is going to be the basics of your entire game. And you don't change the color theme unless you want a different look. Okay, so I have organized a theme. Blood, it's red. So of course it's going to be our main. So I'm going to be using red and yellow throughout the game. But these colors will help me support these colors and have them stand out. So this is the theme for the basics of the game. And not like I said, dungeons are unique. And maybe there's a poisonous dungeon. And if that's so, I might want to change it to green. But I would change my color theme to fit that. That's why it doesn't look so rainbow vomity. Alright. I got a little treat for you guys. I got a real treat for you. A real treat. You ready? You ready for this? Bam! It's a castle. It's a castle. Holy crap. Oh my god. It's a castle. It's a castle. I love castles. I made a sketch based on Transylvanian castles. Then we got the tower. We got the tower leading up to the boss tower. All the way up there. And you see there's something a little unique here. And I'll have you know, that's just so I know that there's another tower there. It's not gonna be actually like dotted lines or anything. Although that might not be a bad idea. Now, how is this gonna work? You're gonna choose one path only. If you cheat, I would know. So similar to a Binding of Isaac fashion, the bosses are going to be randomized just at that point up here. So the first two bosses are going to be straightforward. It's so you can get used to the basics of the game. The next bosses completely randomized, a unique, and then they will lead up to the last two bosses. It's not like you're gonna see this on it, and I know it looks kind of crazy and cool, but it's not like you're gonna see this on the outside. This is just for me to get a layout of the land, so I understand where to put things. 3 to boss. 3 to the boss. You see that? 1, 2, 3. 3 to the boss. 3 to the boss. I'm following that rule. It is my rule because I felt like it's a good rule. Alright. maybe you're done. Maybe you're tired. You're tired with your setting. If you're tired with your setting, then just work on the lore. It is an important part of the game, and people underestimate it greatly. But the lore is so important because it provides context, and that's all world building does. It provides context and understanding of the universe you're in. So, let's do some lore. And I got a real treat for you guys. All my men have perished. The world is coming to an end, within full control of a monster. On the front lines, a dying old man gave me his sword and said, "Now only I can save the world." So I rise to the challenge and climb the towers to slay the beast. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you did enjoy. I love you all. If you want to see more of this and help me through the development of this game, give me a like. Let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know. I listen. Alright? And if you like me and you like what I do, support me. Give me a subscribe. That's all you need to do. And I appreciate you guys even more. But if you watch this video to the end, I still appreciate you. I'll see you guys next time. And hey, love ya.